Went to the barber and told him to give me the Dave cut. See what they did to me?
There we go. Hey, this is Matt. He's a big DDE fan, and we're surprising him today with a brand new Mustang.
We're gonna show you exactly what happened to the tire stair here. I think it's broken.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the vlog. We're here in Seattle, and it's not as hot as it has been the past few days, has it?
We have to break out our matching windbreakers.
We look good together, don't we?
We do.
Steve's like, is there coffee around here? I'm like, in Seattle, don't worry.
Want
I'm
a
gonna
store
walk
here?
in there and make them for us.
You are?
They'll know me.
Did you ever win any awards as a Starbucks?
I did.
Partner?
Store Manager of the Year.
Whoa.
And I got to go to Costa Rica and meet the farmers.
Did you crush any beans with your toes or do anything like that?
That's wine. I picked the cherries. I picked them.
Yeah.
So the coffee you drink has my finger oils all over the beans. Ready to go, Steve?
I was born ready. Let's go.
Here's a real question for you though. Will Steve's wide body 458 fit in the transport truck?
That's a concern. I've had problems with that before. Back in the Belladonna, the wide body 4 GT days, I got to the truck, was all excited to get on the rally, and the car wouldn't fit on the truck. It was too wide. I may be driving home today by myself. Huh?
No. Steve's POV all the way home.
But I trust Ply Car. Got it.
They got this. They got this.
Your turn. My turn? You won't hear my car over that.
All right, guys, we need to navigate and go find Justin, our Ply Car driver, just currently in some Seattle traffic. And now I'm hungry.
Is this where the Seattle Seahawks play?
Century Link Field, where the Seattle Seahawks play.
Russell Wilson? That's Russell Wilson. Do you know Russell Wilson? You don't know Russell Wilson?
I don't.
Oh man, you Canadian guys, get in
sorry.
touch with what's going on here, man. That's Russell Wilson. Yeah, I know him.
Good guy?
University of Wisconsin quarterback.
I need to watch more sports. Justin, our driver's on his way over here right now in the Ply Car transport. I have to get Alex Choi's car. He left us at 0 hour.
Off on himself and leaves his car for us to pick up
at Mercedes. You'll stay with the cars, mind the cars. Maybe give mine a quick wash if you don't mind. A little spit polish.
A little spit shine.
I got a message from August Motor Cars about Damon Turcon.
It's bad. It's like it won't even go into gear.
This really sucks. This was just literally pouring all the trans oil out. I don't know, I have a bit of a video. I don't know if it'll work, but if it does, we'll put it in here. I turned a corner up here. It's like 1:30 in the morning. I shifted from first to second and blew something in. I'm suspecting the transmission. The motor runs, car runs, but it's like, this is what I'm left with on the side of the road. This is what I believe is transmission oil or fluid or whatever. And this is the rear wheel. And it was like, it's obviously hot. It's you can kind of see it pouring out. Made a pop. Not like a, well, kind of like a bang, but like a, I don't even know how to explain it, like a popping bang noise. Kind of heartbroken right now with this whole car.
Don't go anywhere.
Can't be good.
Don't go anywhere. How's that for a truck, you guys? This is Ply Car, and that's who's taking our cars back to California. Let's go load this bad boy. Ferrari owners, right? What do we have here? What's up? How's it going? Good. You're shipping it back to California or what?
Oh yeah, going to Monterey.
Monterey, yeah, I'll see you there. It looks different than the last time I saw it.
Oh yeah, last time it was
It's white, right?
it was black.
Black.
Yeah, black.
Cool. I like it. Check this McLaren out, you guys. Oh yeah, the door is ajar. This truck is beautiful.
Hey, where are your doors to go up?
Ah, come on now, I'm on a budget. Balling on a budget.
Funny story. I went to the barber in LA. I told him to give me the Dave cut. See what they did to me?
It's kind of bittersweet, you know, seeing the cars together, loading up this big fancy truck. And as soon as Justin leaves, I literally have no car, nothing to get around. This is Matt, he's a big DDE fan, and we're surprising him today with a brand new Mustang! The car broke, congratulations!
Oh, thank you.
This is called clickbait, and you're now a victim to it.
That doesn't surprise
Would you drive that car?
Oh yeah, I'd drive that car.
That's pretty sick, it sounds insane. Well, we're ready to go, we're missing one thing.
Let me guess. Is it a kind of a multicolored McLaren?
It's your boy Troy leaving his car at random dealership, so we're gonna run and grab a 720. Oh, I'm gonna do some daily destroyed damage on that thing.
Tires
the good news is I get a ride in a Ferrari by a skilled driver and a good friend. Hell of a golfer.
Golfing.
You love golfing. We have a Ferrari, so you should be golfing for sure. Ferrari, let's hear it, yeah!
Gotta love that echo, huh, Dave?
This thing sounds really cool, man.
You know what? I don't think it sounds very cool.
Well, it needs to be louder.
It's gonna be a lot louder.
Like, it's a beautiful sound for the everyday person, but Steve is not your everyday guy. You got the carbon seats.
Of course I do, Dave. Dude. Why would I buy a car without carbon seats, man?
I have carbon seats too. Did we just become best friends?
We are. We're carbon
seats. So these are actually really comfortable though.
Aren't they? And they recline. You know what's nice about them? They're reclinable seats. They're not those.
This car
they're not
is
the ones where you're sitting like this and like that, like the Aventador in Japan.
That's the thing about the 458. It's like easy daily driver. Into traffic. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. We're looking for a lost McLaren. Choi shows up. Can you store my McLaren? Because I have a flight to catch. My name is Alex Choi. I'll give you a shout out on Instagram. They're like, just go, please leave us alone. We have C classes to service.
That's not a Mercedes, is it?
There it is.
It starts with an M, but it's not a Mercedes, my friend.
Dude, let's buy some AMG while we're here.
Hell yeah.
You want a GTR?
You got the credit card, right?
I got the keys to Alex Choi's car. Thank you to Mercedes of Seattle for taking Choi's car. He like showed up last night at 8 o'clock and threw a key at somebody and ran away, so I'm joking. Alex is very polite. He's a polite young man.
Nice people here at Mercedes,
They're
man.
really
I must say,
nice.
really nice guys. Choi still do Canadian bugs.
Choi is a bug assassin. Right, now here's the thing about McLarens. There's 1,000 freaking buttons to press to drive these things.
You know how to operate this vehicle?
I've never driven a McLaren.
Oh my god.
How do you start the key?
Let me see.
Oh no, it's inside. Here.
Oh.
Super humble, no big deal.
Yes.
No big deal, no big deal.
Our door's open this way.
Well, Alex has little tiny feet. Here, hold on.
Yes, he
He's
does.
a short young man.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Dave, does that seat go back any further? You'll be in the engine compartment.
Bring the camera close. Choi had some skippers. He had some Swedish fish.
Oh my god.
I don't know what that's for.
Nice.
Gatorade.
Oh,
yeah. That's unopened.
Oh, cool.
What flavor
Grab
do you
those.
like?
We need those.
Pizza flavored. Hey,
Nice.
Choi?
Let's see what you made of. Oh, that worked.
Here's how it works in a McLaren.
Yes.
All you gotta do is track, active, arrow, go.
Yep. Donuts.
All right, what's beeping? Is this parking thing? Here, hold on. Let's do this. There we go. There we go. I mean, it's still beeping, but they'll probably stop at some point. What I love about the 720S or any McLaren is they're so effortlessly fast. The shifts are super smooth. Like, it's literally impossible not to speed in this car. The technology has just been like, McLaren's going so quickly and how they develop this stuff. I can't imagine what 10 years from now looks like. Like, every car will be 0 to 60 and yes. Just yes. No more numbers, just yes. What's beeping now? All these things beep, there's buttons, I'm getting confused. Like, literally, I'm not joking, everything is beeping. This is beeping, the car's beeping.
Alex Choi!
Alex Choi, hi!
Choi!
Dude, everything is beeping in this car.
You're not Alex Choi.
I'm an imposter.
You don't look like Alex Choi.
I'm not as good looking as him.
You're a lot taller than Alex Choi.
You know what, this car's bad. Just being humble, the door's up. This is like McLaren Life 101. As a McLaren owner, do you approve of driving to parking lots with their doors up? Do you do that?
It gotta be like that.
You didn't do it when you pulled up though.
My doors were broken.
You're just so humble. These girls walked by, I was doing that, I was like, oh man, this feels really awkward now. And I'm like, I'm not showing off the doors are broken. That's the one thing McLaren wins the game at. Like, you got a loud Ferrari or a 720S, you want the cool doors.
That's the reason why I took the 570 over the Huracan.
Doors.
The doors.
You're a door guy. I gotcha. If it fits, it ships. And the question is, will it fit?
She's gonna fit.
Going up. That's cool, right? That
Hey,
perspective.
remember we just talked about how the McLaren door is broken? And now it's actually broken.
No.
My car key or my door, it can't be unlocked or be locked. No, we can sacrifice the
Hey, should we get a McLaren on DDE? They do have small little issues. McLaren develops so quickly. There's little bugs, but they're working through it. It's a bad car. So you know Ply Car.
Dude, I've used Ply Car for at least 5 or 6 years now, man.
I had no idea.
Yeah, Nick and everything. We moved a lot of cars around the country with these guys. I put a lot of my own personal cars on here. I had customer cars through Fusion that we put through here. They're such a good company. You know what? You know what's important about shipping? It's not about the best rate. Everybody thinks, oh man, it's too expensive, everything else. You know what happens? You're gonna learn the lesson one day. The lesson is, when the hits the fan, that's when you really know a good company from a bad company. Because guys with insurance and guys who take responsibility for stuff, that's what this company does, man. They do it right, they avoid problems, but if a problem happens, they take care of it too. And that's what I love about this. Not to mention they have the coolest equipment on the road too.
They do.
The car's nothing. Look at this little skinny, like you.
You look good in that car, man.
Hey, I probably wouldn't destroy it.
Yeah. Look at all that carbon fiber. All carbon. Isn't that cool?
That is cool.
Yeah. What's your car have underneath it, Steve?
Carbon fiber.
Boom! And we're back. 2 more to go. Then we're out. I'll see if that's it for now.
That's it.
Now here's the good news.
Miss you.
Guess how long it's gonna take to ship these cars to LA?
I'd say with Ply Car and these guys behind the wheel, 2 days, it's in LA, no questions about it.
Yeah, prep your car for Monterey Car Week.
It's gonna take me a week to wash the damn thing. Do I have time?
All the gear oil in your car.
I got a lot of gear oil on there.
Hey man, had a lot of fun with you. I'll see you next week.
Yes, sir. But you know what? Not sleeping in the same room with you tonight is gonna be a little lonely, but
yeah, some good times.
My wife will probably appreciate me being back.
What I like about him is Steve doesn't snore.
See you again, brother.
We're loaded. We're good to go. Ply Car Transportation.
Ply Car Transportation Group.
Follow Instagram, link in description. Hey, I need a cab, please. I'm at the Sticky Wicket on Douglas. Legit, I have to do that to get a cab. Okay guys, I'm finally home. Yeah, did an outfit change. Yes, it's the next day. Yes, I got too tired to finish this vlog. No, I'm not sorry. Yes, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm talking to myself. Let's just get back to it. So apparently, Matt August knows the truth behind the Huracan's destruction. Hey Matt, it's Dave. Coulter, Daily Driven Exotics. I was at your wedding. Anyway, so I hear you know the truth of the Tire Slayer's fate and what Damon Fryer destroyed. Show us, take us through, take over the vlog. Okay guys, Matt August is taking over the vlog. I'm gonna get some food. Let's find out what the Damon destroyed on the Huracan. And once again, when you guys say Dave destroys everything, here's another example of something that I didn't destroy.
We're gonna show you exactly what happened to the Tire Slayer here. I think it's broken.
That's clutches you can see, and it blew right out of the case. But those are clutches. This is valve body. There should probably be a valve body here, but it's now on the ground.
So this was Damon Fryer's clutch. Got it apart here at the garage. We'll be sending it soon back down to California. I just wanted to also thank Steve and Alex and Dave and Damon for making the big track up for Dream Rally. It's a big time for us at August Motor Cars and my favorite day and something I put a lot of my heart into. So guys, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for being involved. With your guys' help, we raised over $800,000 for Ronald McDonald House and our local hospital. So thank you guys.
See you next time. Monterey. Out and out.